Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Self-Dot here, and today I'm going to take you on an incredible journey of how I created me. I did it from scratch and built my entire YouTube studio from using Blender and Unreal Engine, all without any formal education. So if you're ready to see how you can do it too, stick around. Let's start with the foundation, the face. In Blender, I used a combination of modeling techniques and plugins to craft the face of my MetaHuman. I spent hours fine-tuning every detail, from the shape of the nose to the curvature of the lips. The key here is patience and persistence. The internet is full of tutorials, and with some practice, you can master it too. Once I was happy with the face, I imported it into MetaHuman Creator. This amazing tool allowed me to put my custom face onto a MetaHuman body seamlessly. MetaHuman Creator is incredibly intuitive and offers a plethora of customization options so you can bring your vision to life exactly as you imagined. Next, it was time to build my YouTube studio. Every asset you see in my studio was created in Blender using a mix of modeling techniques and various plugins. Again, I relied heavily on online resources, tutorials, forums, and documentation. The Blender community is incredibly supportive, so don't hesitate to dive in and ask for help if you need it. After creating all the assets in Blender, I imported them into Unreal Engine to build the actual studio. Unreal Engine is perfect for creating high-quality environments, and the import process is quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. I set up lighting, textures that make the studio feel realistic and inviting. And there you have it, my MetaHuman and YouTube studio, all created from scratch using Blender and Unreal Engine. Remember, I've never been to college or taken any formal classes for this. Everything I've learned is from the internet and a lot of trial and error. If I can do it, you can too. With access to the internet, a bit of self-motivation, and a lot of persistence, you can learn anything. Whether it's 3D creation, game development, or any other skill, the resources are out there. Don't be afraid to dive in and start creating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials and projects. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep creating!